How to change aspect ratio of a video in Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you that how you can change aspect ratio of a video in Capcut, so let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app and wait for it to load, and then you have to open a project that you want to work on. Let's open this project over here. Once you're on the project, you have this option of aspect ratio over here on the bottom of your screen. You simply have to click this option, and here you can choose the aspect ratio of your choice. You can choose the original one, or you can choose this 9:16, or you can go with this 1:1 and the 16:9, and you have many. You can also slide to the left side and you'll find more options, and then click tick over here. And that's the process that you can follow to change the aspect ratio of any video in Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.